Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're diving into the crash test results for the Mercedes-Benz GLC, examining how this SUV handles various impact scenarios to keep you safe on the road. In the frontal offset test, the GLC's passenger compartment remained stable, providing strong protection to critical areas like the knees and femurs for both the driver and passenger. Mercedes-Benz has shown that the GLC's safety features are designed to protect occupants of all sizes and positions, ensuring a high level of resilience in real-world collisions. Switching to the side barrier test, the GLC scores top marks, with all critical body areas well protected. However, in the side pull test, rib compression readings indicated that chest protection was weaker, an area to consider for improvement. The GLC comes equipped with advanced safety technology, including a post-collision brake system, which automatically applies the brakes after a crash to prevent secondary impacts, and an emergency eCall system that contacts emergency services automatically. With these robust safety features and strong crash test performance, the Mercedes-Benz GLC delivers a solid blend of luxury and safety, protecting you and your passengers in various impact situations. Whether it's on the road or in a collision, the GLC is engineered for reliability. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving safety. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.